Castor oil has excellent antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties that help prevent acne. If you want to try castor oil for acne treatment, here are the 3 methods you need to follow. The first method is to apply a mixture of castor oil and baking soda. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of castor oil in a bowl. Apply the mixture to the affected areas of your skin. Leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse it off with water. The second way is to make a mixture of castor oil, turmeric, and aloe vera gel. Mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Apply this mixture on the affected areas. Leave it on for minimum of 20 minutes and then rinse it off with water. You can also apply castor oil directly to the acne affected areas. Leave it on overnight and wash your face the next morning with water.